Hare Krishna, welcome to my channel. So today I have discussed about differentiation. What about differentiation? Uh, Differentiation. Okay. So this is a very one of the most important operation in calculus. Suppose y equal to x cube, where you can write fx equal to x cube, where fx is real valued function. Means what? Means x belongs to real number and y belongs to real number. The domain of fx is real and the range is real. So differentiation is what is the most important operation in calculus. What is differentiation basically? Suppose if increment with x, if x becomes x plus h, what will be the function? X plus h whole cube. Now if I tell it y, and this is, if it is y1 and this is y2, limit h tends to 0. This is h tends to 0 means the value of h is very close to 0, is very small, is very close to 0. Fx plus h minus fx, that by h, that is difference of dependent function, dependent variable upon difference of independent variable. What is dependent? In a function called fx equal to x cube, suppose x is independent and y is dependent. Okay, so the definition is difference of dependent variable upon difference of independent variable. This is called dy dx. dy dx. Okay, dy dx. D for d. Actually, when we are writing dy, that is very small change of y, and when we are writing dx, that is very small change of x. So what you learn, that is differentiation is one of the most important operation in calculus. Mostly used in physics. Mostly you have to use in the derivation of physics, and wherever you are going to do the problem sums in physics, if you use calculus, it will be easier one. Okay. So in today's class, I am directly going to the formulas. In other class, I will let you know how did the formula come. Means what is limit and how the derivation of the formulas, I will let you know in the next class. So in this class, I will jump to the formula. Okay. So take a screenshot or write it down in your copy. So students, let's jump to the formulas. It's a very basic concept that a constant like d by dx of 5, it never changes its value. It never changes its value. So its derivative is 0. So the differentiation of a constant is 0. Number 1. Number 2. Derivative of x to the power n equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. Derivative of x, what will happen? Suppose it has power 1 into x. Write it down. Very important. A very important formula. D by dx of log x is 1 by x. Okay. Actually, these are the basic formulas, fundamental formulas of differentiation. Now, you know what about addition, subtractions and all. D by dx of fx plus minus gx, if there are two functions, then that is f dash x plus minus g dash x. Don't get confused about this symbol. Dy by dx is often written as f dash x. Okay, is often written as f dash x. Now 14. Dy by dx of fx by gx. Okay, division rule, and one is multiplication rule. Multiplication rule, I am writing it down first. What about multiplication rule? That is fx into g dash x plus gx into f dash x. Okay. But division rule is g dash x its square gx into f dash x minus fx into g dash x. So this is multiplication rule, this is division rule, this is addition and subtraction rule. These are the basic fundamental rules of derivative. These are the basic fundamental rules of derivative. Okay. Now I will teach you how to do the problems. It's very easy. Write it down. See, like one thing I forgot to tell you. Constant into a function, it is c into f plus x. Means c comes outside and the derivative of fx. Suppose y equal to x cube plus 5x square minus 2x plus 7. It's a function. Now you want to derive the function. You want to do the derivation of the function. Now dy dx. Remember one thing, you have to write for that differentiating with respect to x. Don't forget to write. X cube, what will happen? 3 into x square. X square, what will happen? 2 into x. 2 will come down and power will reduce by 1. 2x is 2 into 1, 7 is 0. So answer is 3x square plus 10x minus 2. Okay, you can write it f dash x or you can write it dy dx. The same thing. Students mainly do a very common mistake. Sin 3x plus cos 2x. Suppose this is a new question. Question 1, question 2. You want to have the derivative of this function. So what happens? Students do a very common mistake. That is dy dx. Everybody writes cos 3x minus sin 2x. But this is wrong. What will happen? Before you write sin 3x like cos 3x, the 3 will come outside. It will be 3 cos 3x. And cos 2x, 2 will come outside. Okay. 2 will come outside. Alright. Next example. Question number 3. e to the power x by sin x, fx equal to. So this is the function of quotient, means division. What will happen? F dash x equal to gx square, that is sin x whole square. In numerator, gx into e to the power x derivative, e to the power x becomes e to the power x after derivative, minus e to the power x into cos x. Cos x is what? Cos x is the derivative of sin x. Cos x is the derivative of sin x, and e to the power x is derivative of e to the power x. Fx equal to log 3x plus 3 cos x plus 2 to the power x. Suppose what will happen? F dash x, what will learn? Like log x becomes 1 by x, so that will become 1 by 3x, but 3 will come outside into 3. This is called chain rule. I will have a detailed discussion about chain rule after 2 or 3 videos, more videos. Okay, we don't have chain rule in class 11, but still you need a concept for that. 3 cos x is 3 into minus sin x. 2 to the power x is 2 to the power x into log 2 base e. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, so answer is 1 by x minus 3 sin x plus 2 to the power x log 2 base e, or ln 2. Okay, this is f dash x. Two very easy questions, 2 or 3 easy questions I am giving you. In the next video, please do the homework and write in the comment section box. I will discuss about this homework in the next video. Okay. Fx equal to homework x to the power 9 plus 3x square plus 1 by x. Fx equal to sin x plus sec x by x. E to the power x plus 1 by e to the power x minus 1. These very easy problems, these 4 very easy problems are your homework for the next video. In the next video, I will discuss about that, and I will come with more different examples. Okay. So, Hare Krishna. Goodbye.